Okay, I made a few changes that I think will really help with collaboration and just be real efficient. So I kind of reordered some of these and I added lead priority. So you can actually click to see who is, you can unclick these to get rid of them. Um, but if you can see, I added lead priority. So sometimes, like for instance, um, here's the ones where we're getting the buyer price. And I'm actually going to unclick the stage of lead here. Um, but some of these are hot. Like, see this Milton and this Musing, this Chase one. This guy has 4 properties, three that we're going to look at and offer on. Um, some of them it's like they're asking 150 and it's only worth 130, and we're going to be at like 90. So I'm just not going to give that high of a priority to make an offer on that property and to hound the buyers or some the hedge funds to get a price back. But some of them it's where we can actually offer the asking price, and I think is really good. I want to put as a 1, and then we can look at all of the leads without any of these filters, and we can sort by lead priority. And we can see like all of the hot ones, like those are the ones, that we really need to sink our teeth in. And actually I need to change this. I think the ones are going to end up having to be a 9. That way those ones are at top. But you can see all of these ones right here. These are all the hot ones that we need to really start working. So, and I like having next step. I like having next step right here, and then I like having I like getting rid of I like having the acquisition notes right in here, so I can see everything all on one page. So here's another example. When I go to hot leads, these are the hot ones. So Leighton, we can't sell to a hedge fund. It's well and septic, but it is an interesting property. I marked it as a 2. It's not the highest priority, but it is something that we can work. Musing, I think, these ones, I think, work. These ones work. We actually have this one, under contract. Manker works. Churchman, this guy, where, Reisner works. Galveston, that works. These are ones I know that we can absolutely close. But there's other ones like Colorado we have under contract. Sycamore we have under contract. Eagle Bay, he agreed to sell to us, but when he's ready to retire. So this is basically in follow-up. So these are not as high of priority to check on every single day, but we want to sink our teeth in and really check on these ones. So it's just a little addition, and I really like being able to see. I'm going to get rid of these. I really like being able to see, I've got the address, I've got the lead priority. I like being able to see the next steps and the acquisition notes, like all right here on one screen. So like that really helps us go through. And what I do is I hold Control, and then I click and I open these all up. So bam, bam, bam. Here's Manker, Churchman, And then I can go into each of these and I can start adding comments. I can update next step. I can update lead priority real quick. And in about 15 minutes, you can really plow through a lot. So it's just a very efficient, effective way to do it. And I'd like to hear your guys' feedback as well.